Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Sheldon Stauffer. I'm from Sinking Spring, Pennsylvania, in the United States. I play drums in the band Behold the Beloved, and I've been playing drums now for about 17 years or so. And currently, right now, I am playing the Collision 5BR. The really cool thing about this stick is it has the extra length to it, so I play a lot of double kick stuff, so I like to sit back a little bit further. So the extra length comes in really handy just for reaching cymbals and just to really get where I need to be efficiently. And it's a really durable stick. I really like it. Typically, you go through a lot of sticks when you're playing rock music, but the Collision sticks really hold up really well. So that's another thing that I really appreciate about that. Also, really solid company in general, just really good with communication and really reliable. So I really appreciate that. And so today I will be doing a playthrough of my band's song, Playing with Fire. This song hit #1 on the Christian rock radio charts here in the US. So yeah, hope you guys really enjoy it.
I will bring you to life. Give me your selfish desires, and I'll drown out the fire.